the alimentary canal.
Do you know that the food we eat passes through some organs before it comes out as feces? If you don't know, then today we are coming to teach you. We all know that a system is a group of things working together, and our human digestive system too is a system because it has many organs working together to digest the food. It is called the human digestive system or
The alimentary canal or gastrointestinal tract.
the human digestive system runs from the buccal cavity and completes at the anal cavity. Organs in the human digestive system are
Buccal cavity, which contains the salivary gland, esophagus or gullet, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anal cavity.
when the food is taken into the buccal cavity. We call this process ingestion. The teeth will masticate the food into smaller particles. The salivary gland will secrete saliva, which contain enzyme like salivary amylase, which will turn the starch into simple sugar, called maltose, and the lysosome also kill bacteria and viruses in the food. The tongue will roll the food into a ball form, called bolus, and the food is swallowed. When the food is swallowed, there is an organ that prevents the food from not entering into the trachea. That organ is called epiglottis. In the esophagus, when the food is passing through the esophagus contracts and relaxes to push the food into the stomach. This process is called peristalsis.
When the food gets into the stomach, digestion of protein starts. The walls of the stomach will produce juice, which is called gastric juice, and the gastric juice contains enzymes like hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and rennet, which will turn the food into a chyme. This organ is called the liver. The liver also produces bile, and the bile is stored in the gallbladder. The bile breaks down fat into smaller particles. Do you see an organ here? It is called pancreas. The pancreas also secretes pancreatic juice, which breaks down fat and sugar, which was not broken by the bile. In the small intestine, the end product of protein, which is amino acid, carbohydrates, which is glucose, fat and oil, which is fatty acid or glycerol, are going to take into the bloodstream. This process is called absorption. In the large intestine, the food has already turned into feces, and water is absorbed into the bloodstream. The feces will pass through the large intestine and store in the rectum for some times. Later, and passes through the anus as feces. This process is called egestion. Egestion is the removal of feces from the anus. We will end here. I believe that many of us have gotten to know about the human digestive system. Thank you.
Vanessa, Augustina, and Goslav from Platinum Standard Educational Complex, Basic 4. We were able to talk of the human digestive system, which is also called the
Alimentary canal.
alimentary canal or
Gastrointestinal tract.
gastrointestinal
Tract.
Now, we have certain questions to answer. I hope you're ready for the questions.
Yes.
You're ready?
Yes.
You said when food is being taken into the mouth, that process is called what?
Ingestion.
Ingestion. Within the mouth, we have what we call the teeth and the tongue. The teeth helps in masticating food, and the tongue also helps in what? Rolling the food into a form of a ball, which is called what?
Bolus.
Before the food gets into the esophagus, we have a structure which helps the food not entering into the trachea. And that structure is called what?
Epiglottis.
You said?
Epiglottis.
Epiglottis. When the food gets into the stomach, we have the contraction and relaxation of the esophagus before it gets to the stomach. And this process is called what?
Peristalsis.
You've done well, okay? But let me add another question to test you and know how you can do it. Now, we move to the other side. Move to the other side. Let me see. We said when the food gets to the stomach, we have a juice which is called a
Gastric juice.
gastric what? Juice. And this gastric juice contains enzymes.
Hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and renin.
Hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and what? Renin. Do you know the largest internal organ of the human body? It's called what?
Liver.
The liver. Before food is being released through the anus, it's supposed to be stored. And which organ stores the food?
Rectum. Rectum.
Rectum. And the passage of food, that's undigested food, through the anal cavity or the anus, is called what?
Egestion.
Ingestion. You people are so great, You've done well. You're able to tell us the human digestive system, starting from what? The buccal cavity with the mouth to the anal cavity. With the help of your teacher, with the help of your teacher, you're able to give us these explanations. Now you've done well. You've done well. And your master is called Kingsford. Yes, with the help of Mr. Kingsford, we are able to teach us all this. You've done well. Thank you. Now, these people are from National Standard Educational Complex BS4. BS4 students teaching us the human digestive system, giving us all the explanation from the mouth to the anal cavity. They've done well. This will be the end for this experimental setup. Thank you.